Hello, my dear children. I hope you all find staying at home. I'm again with you all, and today I'm going to teach you the next chapter of English literature. The name of the next chapter is Indian Independence Day Part 1. Firstly, I'll give you a short summary about chapter. Now, children, this chapter is based on how we all celebrate Independence Day and description given in chapter about a family of Mr. and Mrs. Desai, how they celebrated Independence Day. Now, let's begin with the explanation of chapter. So, children, when we celebrate Independence Day, so as we all know, August 15 is observed as National Festival Day. Every year we celebrate this day because we got freedom on this day from the rule of British government. Finally ended their rule over India and our country became free. This day we celebrate with great joy. In the event celebration organized in the national capital, New Delhi, the Prime Minister of India unfurled the national flag in the morning, where millions of people participated in the Independence Day ceremony. After the national flag hosting and national anthem Jan Gan Man, national flag is hosted everywhere. During the Independence Day celebration, the national flag are also hosted in schools and colleges and many other government places. There are beautiful lightning on many public buildings. Now come to Mr. and Mrs. Desai, how they celebrated the Independence Day. Mr. and Mrs. Desai, they celebrated this day by hosting a party at their home for children. They invited many daughters' friends to be a part of the grand celebration. Her daughter name is Vimla. One of her friend, Karan, who looked smart in pink turban. Now children, what is the meaning of turban? Meaning of turban is a man's headwear. Then came brown sisters who dressed very nicely. Many friends joined the party and all looked very smart. Vimla is very happy to meet all her classmates. After that, Mrs. Wilson and her daughter Dorothy came in party. They arrived from United States only a few days ago. Mrs. Wilson entering the door, Vimla greeted and she introduced Dorothy with their friends. After that, the party begins with the serving of light snacks. All enjoyed the snacks and ice cream. After having it, the children proceeded towards the garden to play games for the enjoyment. They played games like busting the balloon, musical chairs. So, now children, this is the end of first part of chapter Indian Independence Day. Second part of this chapter I'll explain you in next turn. So I hope you all have understood the chapter very nicely. I hope you all will like it. Thank you very much. Be happy, be safe. Thank you.